Big boy stunned.
Yo. Big boy stunned with a new pair of J's, Gucci shades. No, I ain't got no damn braids. A nigga got the fade, I got the head on now. And if a nigga trip, I put the cap on now. I put the clip in, I cock that bitch back. See me automatic, nigga, and that's a fact. These niggas can't fuck with me. They know just who I be. They know it's JT. You can tell just by the beat.
You can tell just by the beat. It's that boy Lil G on it. I don't give a fuck. Hell yeah, I roll that weed on. Hell yeah, I sip that drink with it. Hell yeah, you know I lean with it. I don't give a fuck. Go ahead and twist that switcher, put some green in it. Hell yeah, MLK 900 block. Nigga got a pocket full of rocks, I mean 100 rocks. Nigga got an AK with an extra clip, 100 shots. I don't give a fuck, I beat a nigga ass to
That's 100 shots, 100 pops. These niggas really gon' call the cops. These niggas know we put up in the drop. These niggas know we made them niggas drop. These niggas can't fuck with me. They nigga know it's Lil G, it's JT. These niggas can't fuck with me. It's Pyro, bitch, you know it's B. LOOD. These niggas know just what the fuck I claim and know what I mean. These niggas know JT gon' get on the mic and do his damn thing. I can't never change. I gotta stay the same. And then you know the niggas got paper and I got change if you wanna rearrange. You feel me?
Big boy stunting, pocket full of money. These niggas hating, but these niggas really dummies. These niggas really fronting. These niggas really stunting. Man, why you all up in my bitch? You really ugly. Man, hold up. I'm trying to get up on it. Man, where you finna go? Take me home, though. You finna